In the bustling city of Philadelphia, a revolutionary spirit thrived, and one man, Benjamin Franklin, embodied that spirit. Known for his intellect and curiosity, Franklin was a man ahead of his time, a man who would challenge the known world and change it forever. The year was 1747, and Franklin, a self-taught scientist, found himself intrigued by a perplexing phenomenon. He had heard tales of a force that could electrify objects and even cause harm, but the mystery of this electric power eluded him. One fateful day, while observing a thunderstorm from the safety of his home, Franklin was struck by an idea. He pondered, what if he could harness this electric power and turn it to man's advantage? His mind ablaze with possibilities, he set out to unravel the secrets of electricity. Franklin sought the guidance of the few scholars who had dabbled in the study of electricity, but they could offer him little more than theories and speculations. Undeterred, he turned to practical experimentation, driven by his belief that knowledge could only be gained through experience. In 1752, Franklin devised an experiment that would change the course of history. He attached a metal key to the upper portion of a kite string and flew the kite during a thunderstorm. As lightning struck the kite, the electrical charge flowed through the string and into the key, stunning Franklin and proving the existence of the electric fluid. This groundbreaking discovery was the starting point for Franklin's further exploration of electricity. He went on to study its properties, develop the lightning rod, and even propose the concept of positive and negative charges. Franklin's work on electricity not only expanded human understanding of the natural world but also paved the way for modern electrical technology. His experiments and theories laid the foundation for the study of electricity and inspired a new generation of scientists to continue pushing the boundaries of human knowledge. In a world where ignorance and superstition were common, Franklin's courage to question, experiment, and innovate was a beacon of enlightenment. His discovery of electricity was a testament to the power of human curiosity and the relentless pursuit of knowledge. As we continue to harness electricity in our daily lives, we are reminded of the man who first tamed the spark of genius and illuminated the path for human progress. Benjamin Franklin's discovery of electricity was not just a scientific breakthrough, but a symbol of the limitless potential of the human mind.